This is a great question, especially if you live here in California. It's called the birthday rule, and it's something a lot of people don't fully understand. So let's talk about it for a second. The California birthday rule gives you a window each year, around your birthday, where you may be able to change your Medicare Supplement plan. Now, here's the important part. In many cases, you can switch to another plan of equal or lesser benefits without answering health questions. That's a big deal. Because outside of that window, you would typically need to go through underwriting, which means the insurance company looks at your health and decides whether or not to accept you. So this birthday rule, it creates an opportunity, but it has to be used correctly. It's not a free-for-all. There are timing rules, and there are guidelines about what plans you can move into. So the real question isn't just, do I have the birthday rule? It's, how do I use it properly based on my situation? And this is where working with someone who understands the space can make a big difference. Because when it's done right, you may be able to lower your premium without changing your coverage. If you've never reviewed your plan during your birthday month, or you're not sure how this works, hit me up. We'll take a few minutes, walk through your options, and make sure you're positioned the right way. That's it for now.